Let me show you how to create this smooth caption text animation in Premiere Pro, and later I will also show you how you can create auto-animated captions within seconds. So watch this video till end. For animated captions, I've placed an audio file on the Premiere Pro timeline. Simply go to the text panel and from here open the transcript tab, then generate the transcript. After it's generated, if there are any mistakes, you can simply double-click on the word and correct it. Next, click on the Create Captions button, then expand Caption Preferences. Here, set maximum length in characters to 20 and set minimum duration to 2 seconds. After that, select single line and click on Create Captions. Premiere Pro will automatically generate the subtitles for you. Right now, these are not animated and we also cannot animate them directly. First, select all the subtitle layers. Then go to the Properties panel and adjust the font, size, color, and other text settings according to your preference. Once all the text properties are set, keep all the subtitle layers selected, then go to Graphics and Titles at the top and click on Upgrade Captions to Graphics. Now the captions will be converted into graphic layers. However, they are still not animated. For animation, there are different styles you can create. For example, you can animate a box behind each word, or you can highlight the spoken word with a different color. For this, you need to listen to your voiceover, and wherever a word is spoken, you need to cut the caption at that point. I'll select all the caption layers and move them one track above. Then I'll start cutting according to the words. For example, the first word is spoken here, so I'll make a cut here, and then another cut for the second word. After that, and wherever a word finishes, place a cut at that point throughout your entire voiceover. Now I've finished the word-by-word cutting. Next, I'll create a box behind each word. To do that, select the rectangle tool and draw a box behind the first word. Then cut the shape layer and place it under the text layer. After placing it below the text layer, lock the text layer so it doesn't get disturbed while creating the shapes. Now the first box is ready. Next, select the box layer, hold Alt, and drag it to create a copy. Place this copy under the second word. Then select the second shape layer, go to the Effect Controls panel and adjust its position so it sits perfectly under the second word. You can slightly adjust it if needed. In the same way, you can place rectangle shapes behind the rest of the text. If you want, you can also change the color of the boxes according to your preference. Now we finally have our animated captions ready, so this is one style. For the second style, I'll simply hide the box layers. In this style, what you need to do is select each word individually and change its color. Simply highlight the word, then go to the Properties panel and change its color to whatever you prefer. I'll select a color and copy its color code. After that, select each word layer one by one. Once the word is selected, go to the Properties panel and keep changing the color of that word accordingly. Now we finally have our second caption animation ready. While this method works, it can take quite a bit of time since everything has to be done manually. This is where AutoCut comes in, a powerful plugin that helps you generate animated auto captions within seconds. AutoCut also includes several additional features that can speed up your editing workflow. So let me show you how it works. Here is the AutoCut landing page. I've included the link in the description below. First, go ahead and download the plugin. You'll get a 14-day free trial, so make sure to check it out. To create animated captions like this, I've placed a video on my timeline and added the audio file, which is my voiceover. First of all, after downloading and installing AutoCut, simply go to Window at the top, then go to Extensions, and from there, enable AutoCut. Once it's enabled, the AutoCut panel will appear, where you'll see multiple tasks and features available. First, click on Auto Captions. If you have marked your in and out points, simply select in and out. Otherwise, you can choose Entire Timeline. For now, I'll mark the in and out points. Go to the end of the audio file in the video and simply press O, and your in and out points will be marked. Since our audio is on audio track 1, I'll simply select A1 and disable A2. Then click on in and out, go to the Validate section and click on it. In the next step, AutoCut supports multiple languages. You can choose any language you prefer from the list. For now, I'll select English. After that, click on Open Caption Editor. Now the transcript will start generating. The Caption Editor panel has opened, and here you'll find multiple presets. You can choose any preset you like from here. If you want to explore more options, you can check out the community presets, and where you'll find many pre-made caption styles. Some of them are quite popular, so you can also select from there. For now, I'll click on Adjust Style. The first option is font, so I'll change my font from here and select Enter. I'll keep the color set to white. Next, I'll keep animation enabled, and for the text box, I'll set it to dark purple. Next is transition. You can disable it if you want, but for now, I'll keep it enabled. After that, we have text format here. I'll change from uppercase to lowercase. You can explore the rest of the settings and try different styles if you want. I'll also keep the outline disabled, and at the end, we have another text box option, which I'll keep disabled as well. Then I'll click on Apply Style. After that, we'll move to the second option, which is position and size. Here you can choose the position of your captions wherever you want on the screen. For now, I'll select middle and I'll set the font size to 130. Below that, you'll find the platform safeguard option. If you're creating a video for a specific platform, you can select it here to keep your caption style within the safe area for that platform. Then I'll click on Apply Style and finally click on Add Captions. Now our captions have been successfully generated. If you want, you can simply click on Next Clip to edit them. One useful feature of AutoCut that I haven't seen in many other tools is that even after generating captions, you can still edit them. For example, if you want to change the text properties, you can adjust the font, color, and other settings according to your preference. You can even modify the animations later if you decide to change them. In addition, when working with raw footage, there are often silent parts that you usually remove manually. Typically, you would go through the audio file one by one, place cuts wherever you find silence, remove those sections, and then rearrange the clips. This process can be quite time-consuming because you have to carefully check for silent parts, filler words, and pauses. Instead of doing this manually, you can simply let AutoCut handle this boring task for you. Go to AutoCut and select silent parts. Then follow the same process by marking your in and out points. Press I to mark the in point and O to mark the out point. After that, select your track. Since my audio is on track A1, I'll simply select A1. Then click on in and out and go to the Validate section. Here you'll see several options. For example, under pacing, I'll select Jumpy. Below that, you'll find the option Remove Silence longer than 50 milliseconds. You can experiment with different values here to see what works best for your audio. At the end, you'll find match transition options such as J-Cut, L-Cut, and Constant Power. For now, I'll keep it set to none. Finally, simply click on Cut and Delete Silent Parts. Within seconds, AutoCut will analyze your audio and automatically remove all the silent parts and filler words. This way, you can clean up your audio in just a few seconds. Besides this, you'll also find many other features available in AutoCut. You can try them one by one and explore how they work. So make sure you give AutoCut a try at least once. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.